My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Vauxhall Mokka X. This is a 1.4 litre turbo. It has done just under 50,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we have our 6 main features, which are audio, gallery, smartphone integration, projection, settings and OnStar. Just below we can see that the Mokka X comes with parking sensors as well as a dual zone climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.